Next up, Essence of the Aether, Tier 3, Act 2. In this one, to collect the essence sample from the container in Hamza Bazaar, Rostova Shops, and Quadri Shopping Center. This is very simple. These are completely unmarked on the map, and there are 3 different locations based on where you spawn. I spawned in the literal worst area, as in the northeast over here. There is nothing. There's one here, and one here somewhere. So what we'll do is we'll get ourselves a vehicle and we'll start in the extreme far southeast at the Hamza Bazaar. So I'll get there and show you exactly where it is. This mission is going to contain a lot of moving around. What you want to do for Hamza Bazaar is in the extreme southeast side of the map, zoom into about this area, just above the fork, you'll find these 2 big buildings. In between them is a round building. Inside of here is where we'll find the first thing. As you can see on the table here, Hamza Bazaar Essence Container. Interact with it and that's it. It's completely hidden on the map, so you'll definitely need to follow a guide like this, otherwise you'll be running around for quite some time, to say the least. Now onto the second one on the far west. Okay, so the Quadri Shopping Center is around here. What we need to do is look to the extreme far southwest side of the map. Zooming in this area here, you'll see this road that snakes down in an L shape. If you simply follow the L straight over, you'll find a small building. In this tiny building here is where we'll find the next container. So interact with it. Now we're done with that part of this mission. We now have 2 out of 3. The next one will head far across to the far northwest side of the map, right about over here. For this one, for the Rostova Shops near the resort here, what we need to do is look into the Tier 2 zone next to here, just to the southeast. You'll find this cluster of buildings. In here, we're looking at the big building right up north here, and inside of it, we should find the last container, completing this mission. So, running up the hill, heading past this tall building and into this big building here. On the middle west side of it, we should find on one of these tables this right here. So we're right over here, once again in this area. We'll simply interact with it, and with that, we've now completed this mission. It's that simple. It'll probably just take you a while to travel to all of these, but it's really not that difficult. There's practically no fighting or anything involved. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.